Today we are going to start Unit 1 of Accountancy. Chapter 1, Accounting, the Language of Business. As we know, business is an economic activity where a person invests a lot of money and to earn money out of his investments. In a business, different transactions means different activities are performed on day-to-day basis. Now, in a complete year, thousands and thousands of activities will be performed by the business organization. To remember these activities by a single person or a specialist is an impossible task. Therefore, all these activities are to be recorded. To know the profitability and to know the financial position of the business operation. This is done to ascertain the overall performance of the business enterprise during a particular period, which is normally a year. Now, in the new corporate system, the organization and the role of accounting has increased due to the separation of ownership from management. Management uses accounting information for decision-making process, and this information is also used by other persons such as the shareholders, debenture holders, financial institutions, bankers, creditors, government agencies like SEBI and other regulators like the Registrar of Companies, even the employees and researchers. They also need this accounting information to take decisions and to prepare themselves to interact with the business organization. The accounting is said to be the language of business. The books of accounts that are prepared are said to be accounting scripts, and the way in which they are prepared is debit and credit, which is the style of writing or recording the transactions, or you may say expressing the transactions, the business activities. As accounting is the language of business, and the main function of any language is to communicate the matter with others. Accounting also communicates the operating and financial performance of business enterprise among its various end users, so that they may use it to take rational decisions. उसका इस्तेमाल करके decisions लेंगे. Several writers have defined accounting in different ways, and some accounting institutions have also defined it. The best definition is given by American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA. It says accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So this definition says it is the art of recording all those transactions which are occurring in a accounting period and which are in in numbers which are in thousands and thousands are to be recorded in accordance to the occurrence in chronological order by using the style of debit and credit. After the recording is done, these transactions are classified in accordance to their nature. After the classification is done, they are summarized in a significant manner and are communicated after proper analysis and interpretation to the different persons who are interested in knowing what the business enterprise is doing. So accounting helps all those persons who are directly or indirectly involved in the business organization to know about the profitability, that is whether the business organization is earning profits or losses, and to know about the financial position, that is the position of the assets and the liabilities. How many assets are available to discharge the liabilities of the business organization, to find out the financial position of the business organization.